Hello. Jen-Hsun Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, was actually right. No one should ever learning or studying computer science. No one should ever attend or invest more than 1 minute into learning coding because, and yeah, that's the reason I never showed my face ever. I will today explain the secret of how to learn coding in only 1 minute. And yeah, I'm pretty scared that I might be cancelled because this is a top secret. Everyone was fooling you if he told you you have to invest, I don't know, 100 hours, 1000 hours into coding to learn code, because that was all a lie. Most programmers, including me, just use a simple trick. They only used 1 minute into coding or 1 minute to learn coding, because we all only do these 5 steps or 5 habits, which will, make you a really great programmer without even trying. Yeah, these are 5 habits you have to know, and of course you have to do. And then you can code in any programming language, you can solve any programming problem, anything. Just do these 5 habits and ignore all the coding tutorials you find on the internet, just do this. So, again, I might be cancelled, I might get the hate, which is all fake hates sent by the communities that now hate me for sharing the secrets, so please. Okay, first step is the coffee. Remember, the coffee is important. If you don't drink coffee, you can't code. That's number 1 rule. The coffee is important, but not only 1 cup, not 2 cups. The morning routine should be at least 1 liter of coffee. And to make this possible, please change your water supply, because if you didn't know, programmers have secret pipelines serving you coffee, so you don't need any water supply. You really don't need it, but we will handle that more in the second step. Just keep in mind, so cancel water supply, register coffee lines instead, because the second step is showers, or especially hygiene, is not needed. If you code or try to think about a certain line of code, you won't get it. Your head won't work if you have showered recently. That's why a lot of programmers don't do showers. So skip your showers, skip your baths, skip brushing your teeth, and you will automatically get the ability to solve any kind of problems. So now you should be already able to write perfect code. But if you still struggle with writing the perfect code, you should now do step 3, which means start shouting at your monitor. Use as many swear words as possible. You should, you can even increase this effect by shouting and swearing at your monitor when multiple colleagues and co-workers are in the near. But most important, your computer has to hear what you're telling him. You have to insult him in the most creative way as possible, and then he will write the code for you. Because it's always the machine that is the problem. The programmer is never the problem. And now, if even that won't work, step 4, you should start punching at your monitor. So you make the monitor or the computer, but it's not the computer, it's the monitor that makes your code. So start punching your monitor. You will get extra points if it's not your own monitor, if you're at work. And if you followed all those steps and you still can't write good code, now you should do step 5. So step 5 is simply, and I will demonstrate it, think of good code. Think of the problem and then think of a problem that, think of a code that handles this problem, this specific problem. And now you have simply, while your eyes are closed, you have to think of the code, and yeah, with full force, you have to smash your head on the keyboard like this.